How do I fix an undercooked fruit cake?
Hello viewers, we're going to discuss a common baking dilemma today: how to fix an undercooked fruit cake. It can be disappointing when your cake isn't quite done, but don't worry, there's a solution. We will guide you through the steps to salvage your undercooked fruit cake.
How can I tell if my fruit cake is undercooked?
Firstly, how can we tell if the fruit cake is undercooked? There are a few signs. 1. The cake might feel too soft or spongy in the middle when you press it. 2. When you insert a toothpick or a cake tester into the center of the cake, it might not come out clean. If your cake shows these signs, it is likely undercooked.
How can I fix an undercooked fruit cake?
Now that we've identified the problem, let's move on to the solution. Here are the steps you can follow to fix your undercooked fruit cake. Step 1. Preheat your oven to the same temperature you initially baked your cake at. Step 2. While the oven preheats, cover your cake with aluminum foil. This will prevent the outside of the cake from over-browning while the inside continues to cook. Step 3. Once the oven is preheated, place your covered cake back in the oven. Step 4. Bake the cake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, then test it again for doneness using a toothpick or cake tester. Step 5. If the cake is still undercooked, continue baking in 10 to 15 minute increments, testing for doneness after each increment. Remember, each oven varies, so keep an eye on your cake and use your best judgment when determining its doneness.
What if my cake is still undercooked?
If, despite your best efforts, the cake is still undercooked, here's a creative solution. Transform your cake into a trifle or pudding. Cut the cake into slices or cubes, layer it with fruit and custard, and enjoy a whole new dessert. There you have it. Even if your fruit cake is undercooked, there's no need to worry. With these steps, you can salvage your cake and avoid wasting your efforts. Remember, baking is a learning process and every mistake is a chance to learn and improve. Happy baking!